jazz albums and bag. Give me your shower head. Alright. This is gonna cost more in shipping. I don't want to do this. And you don't want this. The reason I have it off of the shower is because it's not very good.
Oh boy, oh boy. You guys know what? It's not time to work on an essay because you know what? You know what's here?
You want me to like hold the camera?
It's all good. Christopher Bill package. I don't need keys for this. This is straight from Mr. Bill, the Christopher Bill himself. And here it is. Here's the bag of goodies, the trombone bag. Here it is. The Christopher Bill shower head. I got Christopher Bill's shower head. Yo. That showers those beautiful locks. Now I own it. What will I do with it? I don't know. Frame it at some point, maybe.
You need to like put some sort of signifier that it is actually his on there. Wait, no, his signature's on it.
Wait, did he actually sign? Oh my god, he signed it! He signed the shower head. I didn't even notice. I have a signed shower head from Christ. Yes, the actual thing on it too. I won't be using it, I will say. I do not plan on using it. However, and I also have some CDs. Very nice. These are, a few of them are his original albums that will not be recreated, so very, very lucky to be getting some of these. I will listen to those at my leisure later on. And then, lastly, this beautiful, used by Christopher Bill himself,
Oh damn.
6BL Dennis Wick
Oh my god.
mouthpiece. This I will actually maybe use because I don't have a good concert mouthpiece. That's that.
Be poetic.
I love this so much. Christopher Bill. What do you think, Charlie? On a scale of 1 to 9.
Definitely a 9 on terms of coolness.
Hold on.
You playing an outro?
No, I'm not. I don't know where the beat drop is. Hold on. Thank you, Christopher Bill. This is 10 out of 10, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.